What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage, but it's not my garage. We're on location today at Speen and Adams in Oaks, Pennsylvania, and we have a project for today. I'll show you what we have. So we have this Toyota Corolla here, but as you can see, it is hit with hail. So this is going to take a while. There's a lot of dents on this. It's all over the car. You can see it's just hammered. So we're gonna do what we can video wise to take you through it so you can see, like, you know, kind of how we take care of the dents, getting to them, you know, certain panels. As you can see, we got the hood off here. We're gonna take the trunk off, and we have a nice stand that holds it secure so we can work it that way. Mark in there is dropping the headliner and the sunroof so we can get good access on the roof. And yeah, we'll take you through it. It might be a little hard to get a lot of the dents being removed, but we'll kind of go through the whole process with it and, you know, do some time lapse and things like that. So we'll get started and we'll see how this thing turns out. Let's do it.
it's on the driver's side too. And there's one guy.
Don't drive in the rain.
Well, yeah, now that it's been painted and spent all this time and money on it.
I have to.
I'm not going to drive it. This one guy in this video, he puts a playing card in that gap.
Yeah.
And that fixes the playing card.
There you go.
So it's just like a little bit of gap that makes it leak.
I'm looking at it, I'm thinking,
I'm looking at a lot of them, like, shouldn't that be repaired?
Go get them all out.
So when I was writing this, it was off the chart. This was off the chart. The roof rails were off the chart. The roof and the trunk were off the chart. So everything, like, basically it's like, no, it's conventional. But I just wrote a number. Like, it wouldn't even let me, like, pick anything. Like, it was off the chart. So I just wrote everything in there, like, what I wanted. I was like, I'm probably not going to get that. Like, if it's off the chart, it's telling you, like, it has to be, like, conventional. But
the lady goes,
they approved it.
P.D.R. Some guy named P.D.R. is doing it. There's some guy named P.D.R. I say, yes, and he's very good.
Okay, we've been working with this for a while now, pretty much just concentrating on the hood. When you do a hail damage car, you kind of walk up to it and you're like, where do I start? Because there's so many dents. But it's not that hard to do hail damage. It just takes a long time, and you just go from one dent to the next. So as you can see, there's still a lot of dents left in here, but we got a lot out. When I start doing that, a lot of times I just grab a whale tail. Start with a whale tail, as you saw in the video. Just go underneath a bracing, touch what I can touch, and start working it that way, and then just switching up rods as you go through it. But we still have a lot to do. Mark over here got the headliner down, dropped the sunroof here, so we have plenty of access to get up under there. That'll be nice when we start working on this roof. You can see there's a lot of dents in this roof all over the car. Even the trunk's hammered pretty good. So we'll pull that trunk off later on. Once we're done the hood, I'll get the hood all finished up, put that back on the car, and then put the trunk on the stand and start working it that way. So just wanted to give you an update of what we got going on, and we'll just keep pushing and get this thing done. Okay, we are pretty much done the hood. It came out nice. Went around it, got all the dents. There might be, I'll show you the results. There might be like, a couple little shimmers here or there that we have to like touch with a tool and work them, but we'll do that once we get it kind of like back on the car. That's how I kind of like to do it. Touch everything, get it all done, then get it back on the car and see like what needs to be done from there. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take care of these fenders. So these fenders are hit pretty good too. I don't know if you could see it without the light on it, but there's a lot of dents in these fenders. So the reason I want to do that is because I can lean over the car without the hood in my way. So we'll take care of these fenders, do that, and then we'll put the hood back on and take the trunk off and put that on the stand. So just kind of makes it easier that way. Once the trunk's on the stand, we're probably not going to do the trunk. I'll probably start on the roof then. That way I'm not in Mark's way. If he's putting back up the headliner, I'll have something to do to on the trunk while he's working up there after I get the roof done. So just because that takes a while. Once the roof's done, then he has to put up the sunroof again and the headliner, and that takes some time. So that way I could be busy working on the trunk on the stand. So we'll keep going on this. We'll move to the fenders now and keep banging this thing out. Let's do it. Okay, so we got the hood back on, we took care of the fenders, got the trunk on the stand here. Now we're gonna start on this roof. There's a lot of dents up here. It's gonna be hard to film this because my tripod doesn't go up that high, but we'll get some video of it, but that way you could see the before and afters here too. There's a lot of dents up there. The fenders came out good. I thought they were gonna take me like a half an hour. How long did it take me, Mark?
Like an hour and a half.
They actually turned out to be nightmares. I thought it was all open inside here, but there's like another wall in there and it's all like foam and things like that. But they came out, so we got them done, got the hood back on, and we are ready to keep going. Okay, we're pretty much done for today. It's 5 o'clock. Mark's going home. Say bye, Mark. And I think I'm done for today too. So we're gonna be a while on this. I would stay late if I knew like we could get things done, but I'm gonna be here tomorrow anyway. So I'll show you. We did the Fender's hood, and just work in this area here. You can see it's coming out nice. Maybe a couple more to do right at this edge there. See that? That's not even like really a hail dent. That's more of a push in from something. But anyway, we still have all this to do in the trunk over here, but we'll be back tomorrow. So we'll end this video now, and we'll do a new video. We'll probably do that, start a whole new video for tomorrow, and we'll catch you then.